Hello friends, welcome back to Cat Practice. Today we are going to construct the eighth part for the toy plane. In the eighth part, we are going to make the landing gear. So when I double click this, so you are being able to see the below part, the landing gear, okay, which is been joined with the wheel profile. Now go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select the XY plane. This will be the front view. Take the rectangle command, take 2 point center rectangle. From the center point, make a rectangle, go to dimension, define the height as 39, okay. The width will be of 40, okay. Now here go to circle command, make one circle of dia 8.5, go to dimension, from top end, the center will be at 27 mm. Take vertical constraint, select the center point, select the center, this is defined. Now go to fillet command, take fillet radius of 15 mm and here we'll select this corner and select this corner. Finish sketch, take extrude, select the profile, take symmetric extrude and here take distance of 64 mm, okay, and press OK. Now here go to origin, select the YZ plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with hidden edges, okay. Go to sketch, take the line command, select this corner, or first we'll select the bottom corner and make one profile like this and join this corner, okay. Make one profile till this corner and this and this. Now escape, okay. Go to dimension, define this as 46, okay. Select the center point, select this edge, define this 46/2, okay. Define this distance from top as 4 mm. Now escape. Now this is fully constrained, okay. Now go to circle command and on the center point make here circle of diameter 50 and escape. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this outer profile, select this circular profile. Here take symmetric extrude and here I'll click on cut. So I've taken a distance of 64. You can change the distance to all. So this will become a through cut and press OK. So this will be the remaining profile, okay. Now here select this top face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 6 and make one circle here of diameter 6. Go to dimension, define this from center at 12 mm, this also from center at 12 mm, okay. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point, okay, sorry, the vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. So I'll select the center and select the center. Finish sketch, take extrude, take all the profiles, click on cut and take a distance here of 14 mm depth, okay, and press OK. Rotate the view. So this will be the profile. Go to home. Now here we will define the appearance. We will take here glossy black. I'll click on glossy black, enter, and here go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges, okay, and save it. Save it as part 8 and this is the landing gear. So landing Okay, and saved. Okay, so this was the part 8. For more parts or the previous parts, you can watch the previous video for the previous parts, and for further parts, please continue watching. Thank you.